Welcome back, everyone. So today's the start of something fun. Another Chicagoland YouTuber contacted me a couple days ago. He has a really cool car that he wanted help boosting. So over the next couple of days, we're gonna help him boost his car. Let me show you what we got. Right, guys, so this is John.
What up? I know I'm a little bit tall.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm a little short, so. This is his Civic. I'm gonna have him talk about it because I don't really know much.
All right, so this is my 1993 Civic EG Hatch. It was an automatic, it was a 1.6 liter D series, and the previous owner swapped it over to a 1.8 liter B series, non-VTEC. It was swapped over to manual, and that's pretty much it.
We're gonna boost it.
Yeah, we're gonna boost it.
For now, I wanna drive it. I've never driven a Honda, let alone like a B series. And then we'll take a look at the turbo kit. Hey. We'll take a look at the turbo kit and then we'll see what we got. Go check out John's channel, Yanni Knowles. I'll have a link in the description. We'll both probably be filming. Are you gonna be filming over the next couple days, turbocharging stuff?
Mostly you.
Okay.
Yeah, mostly you.
I was actually gonna buy one of these as a daily at one point. I really like, what, EG, right? EG? I've always wanted an EG. I think they're cool. I love Hondas. Like, this interior is just so 90s and awesome.
Kinda sucks.
That's how you know this car's fast. Red gauges, that's cool. So in terms of the motor, it's got headers, right? It's got an intake.
Yeah, it has a header, it has an intake. Yeah, that's
pretty much it.
Pretty much it.
Do you know
actually,
how much?
Hold on, intake manifold.
Oh yeah, aftermarket intake manifold, I saw that.
Painted valve covers, so that's a big
couple horsepower there, yeah.
For sure.
Do you have any idea what kind of power it makes?
I know that the stock B18 B1 makes like 140, and that's probably to the crank. It is to the crank.
Yeah, it's probably, honestly, with the header intake, like 140 wheel, something like that.
Probably 140.
Look at this is funny. So it used to be an auto, and they didn't get rid of the auto brake pedal, so gotta be careful with the clutch and the brake there. No super fast shifting. Oh yeah, that'd be so bad if you like try to like shift really fast.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
Gosh.
You're gonna go,
oh god, no.
like, so no power steering.
Yep.
Short shifter.
So when this thing's boosted, it's gonna be quick.
It's gonna be pretty scary, I think.
Yeah. I love the intake noises of Honda motors too.
Yeah. You'll notice it's really torquey.
Yeah.
Like just on like instant throttle. Like it's the top end where like you'll kind of want more, I feel like.
Yeah, that's the non-VTEC head.
Yep.
Can you swap a VTEC head on this?
Yeah, but you have to do stuff to the ECU. You have to like rechip it. You have to add the VTEC solenoid and like a bunch of other stuff.
It is pretty torquey, that's nice.
That stuff.
Yeah, I got loosened first there.
Yeah.
I love that sound.
I guess a little bit.
That's pretty good. It's fun. We should maybe race your car or my car.
That's exact. I'm thinking that.
That'd be an interesting race. It's funny, like, it really is like a front-wheel drive Miata.
Yeah. Like,
I can imagine this thing would be so fun on, like, a little track. That's really fun. Right, so that was really fun. I like that thing a lot. I kind of want one, even though I already did. But now I want one more. So this is what we got.
Yeah.
Got some eBay turbo kit.
eBay turbo kit for the Honda.
It looks pretty solid. Well, we'll unbox everything. We'll look at this. This is a nice little trick ski here.
Yeah, this is the chip kit I was talking about. This has to be soldered into the ECU.
Have fun with that.
Yeah, that'll be me. That'll be me.
Yeah, that will be your job.
Yep.
I'm assuming this is the intercooler.
Yep.
Nice. Does it have like mounts and stuff as well?
I don't think it came with mounts. So
Well, that's all right. Fabium's here. We can build some mounts.
Yeah, I was hoping you were gonna say that.
We'll test mock-up.
All right, so the turbo is gonna sit like right here-ish. It'll be like, I mean, it'll be clocked differently, but it'll sit like down here.
Careful, that's probably really warm.
It is. And then basically the return is gonna go straight from the turbo, and the oil pan's right here. So
Right,
it's like,
is there like a bung in the oil pan or anything?
we're gonna
or?
have to drill it.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what I was wondering.
Okay.
That was the scariest part.
Drilling the.
Yeah, drilling the oil pan's kind of scary because if you mess up, at least on the Miata, you have to pull the engine if you mess up. So.
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, I was thinking we would probably just remove the oil pan and do it outside the car.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Or if that's the easier thing, then yeah, we can do that.
Once the header's off, taking off the oil pan is super easy.
Okay, yeah, so that's the nice thing about having a four-wheel drive car.
Exactly.
Oh, God.
And I just sit here. I know it's hot. I know it's hot. But I just sit here and I can like work just sitting inside the car. It's so funny.
That is really nice. So in terms of actual eBay kit, this is pretty nice because it's got like 3 vent intercooler piping. He got, blow-off valves. Does it have a wastegate too?
Yep.
Somewhere? Okay, wastegate.
Wastegate.
The manifold is cast iron, so you don't have to worry about it cracking, which was a smart move on getting that. In terms of like lines and stuff, which are steel braided.
Steel braided. Feed and return.
Can I ask how much you paid for the eBay kit?
$640.
Dang, that's so cheap.
Yeah, I know.
My turbo itself was twice that price.
I totally.
That's crazy. Yeah. But honestly, like it's a smart move. Yeah, that's awesome. Cool. All right, well, we're not gonna start installing it today, but that's it. We got everything. Right, guys, so that is John's Civic. Right now he's taking out the ECU because he's gonna be tuning it or installing like the chip at home while we wait. So this is the stock ECU out of the Civic. John's pretty much gonna be opening this up and installing a little chip that allows us to tune the stock ECU. So this is a cool thing about a Civic compared to like a Miata. You could not tune a stock Miata ECU. This guy. Oh, have fun with that.
Yeah.
Do you kind of like know where it goes or anything?
Yeah.
Okay,
so right down here, you see this shape right here, and it has like this little notch.
Yeah.
That's where the board like kind of goes in. I'm basically going to be installing more pins, so it'll be like a male goes in, and then it'll be a male sticking out all the way down each side of this thing, if that makes sense. And then the board just drops on top, and then you solder the board into those male pins.
That's crazy.
Yeah. We're also, see these 4 right here, these 5?
Yep.
We're gonna cut a little notch in the ECU, or I guess I'm gonna cut a little notch in the ECU to allow for like a port, so we can just plug it straight into the
computer.
ECU.
Okay. Yeah, it's cool. That's rad. We're gonna get started on turbocharging it this weekend, so we'll probably work on it all weekend. Hopefully, get finished by the end of the weekend. So you guys should see a finished boosted Civic next Monday. I don't know. We'll see how it works. It has yet again snowed here. So much freaking snow. I'm so ready for winter to be over. Audrey and I have been car shopping for a new daily, so hopefully one of these next videos will be us getting that daily. I don't know what's gonna happen, but hopefully. We'll see. I'm really excited. I know we've had the same 3 cars on this channel for now a really long time, and it's time to switch things up. The new car, the new build is gonna be really fast, it's gonna be really big, really comfy, it's gonna be awesome. If you wanna see more of John's videos on his Civic, go check out his channel. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, I hope you're excited. I'm really excited to see the Civic boosted. It's gonna be awesome. And it's gonna make a bunch of really awesome videos racing that between mine, because they're both similar power levels, similar weight, but yeah, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to give it a like. If you didn't enjoy though, please give it a dislike. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I really appreciate that. Check out my other forms of social media, Instagram, Twitter, and support the channel on Patreon. I really appreciate that. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out and goodbye.